Episode 7. What are AI hallucinations? It invented a scientist, a paper, a university, a footnote, an entire academic career, confidently, with full citations. I respect the commitment, but this is a serious problem, and it tells you something important about how AI works. An AI hallucination is when a language model generates something false and presents it as fact with complete confidence. This isn't a traditional bug, it's fundamental to how these systems work. Language models predict the next most likely token. They don't have a truth-checking module. When asked about something obscure, the model doesn't say, "I don't know." It generates what a plausible answer would look like. And plausible is not the same as accurate. It knows what a citation looks like: author, journal, year, title. So it generates one that perfectly follows the pattern, even if the specific content never existed. Always verify anything factual an AI tells you, always. On my planet, elders recount history from memory across generations. After 10 generations, the arc is right, the lessons are right. But specific details have drifted. The elder is filling gaps with what feels true. Not lying, reconstructing. AI hallucination is that elder at planetary scale. The lesson: the elder is still valuable. You just don't use them for your audit trail. Next, prompt engineering. Turns out how you ask matters enormously. You developed an entire discipline around phrasing questions correctly. I find this both reasonable and slightly absurd.